So hi, my name's Savannah, and we are going to be drawing a girl in Indian with a dice game. Okay, let's get started. So let's start by drawing the face. So you would draw a circle. And then you draw some eyes. Again, as you see in my last video, these are my kind of flowers. Okay. And then since it's a girl, we'll draw eyelashes like that. And then I'll draw the mouth. I draw it open. Draw the cheeks. And I'll draw the nose like that. Then you draw the neck like that. You draw the hair. It's a card game, I meant, not a dice game, since I don't have a dice. So I'm gonna draw the hair like that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna draw her some hair. Go like that to make that one. Then you go like that. Then like that. And that's the belly. And then we're gonna draw her dress like this. I looked up the Indian dresses. Their dresses were like this. Then we'll draw like a I'm trying to draw my work one. They're different kinds. Okay, so look like this now. So I heard that they do like shell necklaces, so they weave it and then you draw some shells. Like that. And then we're gonna finish the hair, then we'll get on the legs. So go like that. And the other. And through. Shade it in. Like that. And then I have like this piece of hair. So you darken that, make it like a rectangle. See that darkening spot? Then you draw like that, another square under. Then you erase it. But darken this part. And it will draw lines on it. Like that. And then let's draw we draw her legs. I heard they wear moccasins. Then you draw 1, 2, 3. I feel like it's shady. Then the other one. 1, 2, 3. Should have done if you want like that. Now let's get on with the dice game. Like, sure, look at this. So, card game. So this is what we're doing. I have cards, I made them. And they do rock art. So we have, I'm gonna shuffle them too. Brown for teepee. Red for canoe. Black for rock art. And I'm gonna do this like 3 times. There'll be 2 left out. And orange for fireplace. And blue for bow and arrow target. Okay. So let's okay, so here's shovel. Sorry, mixed up. Okay. And then I shuffle them. So I have no idea. Let's see what the first card is. We got black rock art. So we're going to cross that out. That's what we're going to draw. Okay? Ooh, we got a teepee. Please think it's a fireplace. Like, really want. We're going to brown for teepee. We got teepee. And we're going to one more. Oh, I really want a fireplace though. Now we're getting the canoe. Because we got red. There we go. Okay, now we know what we're drawing, see? Teepee, canoe, rock art. Not fireplace or bone arrow tag. So let's make some ground. Let's make a ground. In between. Okay, let's get, which one do we get? First, let's start with the teepee. I want to just show you the shaping to be like that. Oh wow, it's too small. It's like shorter than her. And then now what else do we get? We're done with that. Come on, hurry up. So we'll draw like some water. Now we'll draw like a bow. Maybe like a half a canoe. And that's it. And then the rock art. So like she's doing it. Let's make a brush for her. Let's draw a rock. And then I'm gonna draw like a star. I'm gonna draw just doodle on him. And then we're done. So bye.